This is Anson with Front Range Dent Removal. Here at Front Range Dent Removal, we specialize in paintless dent repair, repairing automotive dents ranging from small door dents to creases, hail damage, and even some larger damage. In this short video, we would like to show you a repair that we completed recently. Let's take a look at the damage. As you can see, we have a dent in the roof rail area on this BMW 335i. This is a slightly larger dent in an area with poor accessibility. This is a view of the dent when we were about 50% done with the repair. Through this whole process, we used no form of fillers or paint. This here is the completed repair. We were able to complete this dent repair to near perfection. This particular customer did not think that this dent would be repairable with paintless dent repair, but we were able to repair the dent and save this customer from having to visit a body shop. Please visit our website at frontrangedents.com. There you can read more about our method of paintless dent repair, see before and after photos, and schedule your estimate.